Purple sweet potato is highly regarded as a healthy ingredient due to its unique purple flesh and rich nutritional profile. Beyond its soft, sweet texture, it offers numerous health benefits. Nutritional value. The purple color of these sweet potatoes comes from anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. Key nutritional advantages include high antioxidant capacity, rich in anthocyanins and selenin. It helps scavenge free radicals, slows down the aging process, and may contribute to cardiovascular health. Rich in dietary fiber. A high fiber content promotes healthy bowel movements, prevents constipation, and increases satiety, making it an excellent staple to substitute for weight management and sugar. Vitamins and minerals. It contains significant amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, iron, and manganese, which help boost immunity and support eye health. Low glycemic index. Compared to refined grains, purple sweet potatoes have a relatively low GI, leading to smaller post-meal blood sugar spikes. This makes them an ideal carbohydrate source for those managing diabetes or pursuing fitness goals. Recommended cooking methods. Cooking purple sweet potatoes should focus on preserving nutrients and avoiding unnecessary calories. 1. Steam. This is the best method for preserving the integrity of its nutrients. Method. Wash the sweet potato, trim the ends, and steam in a pot over high heat for 15-20 minutes. Pros. Minimal loss of water-soluble vitamins. Maintains a natural, soft texture. 2. Purple sweet potato oatmeal. An excellent breakfast choice that provides sustained energy. Method. Slice the sweet potato into small cubes and cook with oats and a small amount of millet. Pros. Combines fibers for greater satiety and helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the morning. 3. Roasted purple sweet potato. Method. Wrap the whole sweet potato in foil and bake in an oven or air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 15 minutes. Pros. Roasting converts more starch into sugars, resulting in a sweeter or more aromatic flavor than steamed. Note that high heat roasting may cause a minor loss of certain vitamins. 4. Mashed purple sweet potato. Method. Peel after steep, mash with a spoon, and mix with a small amount of milk or unsweetened yogurt. Pros. Perfect for light salads or as a healthy oat-free dessert during a diet. Tips for consumption. Portion control. While healthy, purple sweet potatoes are high in carbohydrates, it is recommended to use them as a staple substitute. G. Instead of rice, rather than afternoon snack. Balanced diet. Pair with high-quality proteins. E. G. Chicken breast, eggs, and leafy greens to ensure a well-rounded nutritional intake. Storage. Keep in a cool, ventilated, and dry place to prevent moisture and sprouting.